Oshkosh ground, good evening, Skyhawk 124 Echo Echo. We have Tango at Bassler ready to copy IFR to Waukesha.
Skyhawk 124 Echo Echo, Oshkosh ground, good evening. You are cleared to the Waukesha airport via the preferred route, which is radar vectors west bend, direct. Climb and maintain 3,000 on departure. Expect 5,000, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency Milwaukee 127.0. Squawk 5313.
124 Echo Echo is cleared to Waukesha via vectors west bend, then direct. Climb maintain 3,000, expect 5,000, 10 minutes later. Departure 127.0, squawk 5313.
Skyhawk 4 Echo Echo, read back correct.
And ground, Skyhawk 124 Echo Echo is ready to taxi.
Skyhawk 4 Echo Echo, roger, you at Basler?
Hey, firm Bassler, we have Tango.
Skyhawk 4 Echo Echo, roger, runway 18 taxi via Alpha Alpha 1, cross runway 27, hold short runway 23.
18 via Alpha, was that Alpha 7, cross 27, and hold short 23.
Alpha Alpha 1, everything else is correct.
Can't read my own handwriting, Alpha Alpha 1.
Skyhawk 4 Echo Echo, cross runways 23 and 31.
Cross 23 and 31 for Echo Echo. Oshkosh Tower, Skyhawk 124 Echo Echo, ready 18.
Skyhawk 124 Echo Echo, Oshkosh Tower, hold short runway 18 for IFR release.
Hold for release for Echo Echo.
Skyhawk 124 Echo Echo, Oshkosh Tower, fly runway heading, climb and maintain 3,000, runway 18, wind 1808, cleared for takeoff.
Runway heading, cleared for takeoff 18, Skyhawk 124 Echo Echo. Okay, we're all lit up. We'll fly with pitot heat today, because we can. This is 18. Alright, we got our piano keys here. Alright, swinging it around. Compass lines up with the 18. I see a big 18. We're not even close to center line. And here we go. You ready?
Yep.
Alright, he's on the floor, full power. Airspeed's already live. We are green and green. EGT's looking good. 45. 55. Off by 1,000 feet, that makes sense. And 10 degrees nose up should give us about 75 to 80.
Skyhawk 4 Echo Echo, contact Milwaukee, have a good night.
Over to departure, have a good night, 4 Echo Echo. Milwaukee, good evening, Skyhawk 124 Echo Echo, 1900, climbing 3000, runway heading.
Skyhawk 124 Echo Echo, Milwaukee departure, ident, climb maintain 5,000.
Ident 5000 for Echo Echo.
Skyhawk 4760, just want to verify you're descending to 4,000.
Yep, we're descending to 4,000, guys, 4760.
Okay, climb checklist flaps are up. We're following our climb instructions. Contacted departure. Taxi light can come off.
Number 4 Echo Echo, proceed on course Waukesha.
Direct Waukesha, thank you, 4 Echo Echo.
That's
4
easy.
Echo Echo, if I didn't say radar contact 5 miles south of Oshkosh Airport.
Position checks, 4 Echo Echo, thanks. That radar contact is important.
Yeah.
That's their contract with me, that I'm being provided IFR separation, IFR services,
Gotcha.
all that good stuff.
All the important stuff.
Yep. Yeah, that 180 pretty much would have given us direct Waukesha. 500 to go. Yeah, there might be some clouds off to the left there.
Yeah, it's like I said. I mean, I see some stars above us.
Yeah.
They're kind of starting to peek out. But it does look like right around Milwaukee area, you can see like the light pollution or whatever you want to call it, kind of lighting them up.
Yeah. $300 to go. Temperature, pressure still good. AGT's working out nicely. We're at the outer marker for, I'm assuming, 36 there. 200 to go.
Yeah, it's just like some slight haze at closer to the ground, but nothing too big.
Yeah. Alright, cruise checklist. 2200 should give us a good performance here. We're about 100 knots indicated. Which should give us about 110 true. Trim is happy. Alright, the 3 cylinders the hottest, it's the leanest. Running 9.5 an hour. 5,000, we're happy there. Landing light, come on. And gauges are looking happy. This will be my first visual approach on an IFR flight plan. It's funny because instrument flying and instrument training, it's all like approach, 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 and nobody teaches you how to fly a visual approach.
Really?
Yeah. We should be back before 9 o'clock, so the tower should still be open.
Cool.
124 Echo Echo, contact Milwaukee approach on 125.35.
2535, enjoy your night, 4 Echo Echo.
You too.
Yeah, 5585, turn off setting 080.
Skies, temperature -4, dew point
Sky
-6.
6525, fly heading 080.
3016. Visual approach in use. Landing and departing runways 10 and 18. ILS information may be obtained on the flight surface
Sun country
frequency
8180, Milwaukee departure, radar
122.5.
contact.
Advise on initial contact, ETA information, Golf. Waukesha Tower information,
Sun country
Golf.
8180 and climate maintain 5000.
0145 Zulu weather. Wind 150 at 7. Visibility 10.
Good evening, Milwaukee Skyhawk 124, Echo Echo 5000, we have Golf for Waukesha.
Skyhawk 124, Echo Echo, Milwaukee approach, Mitchell altimeter 3018, expect the visual approach, runway 10.
Looks like the visual 10 city altimeter here, please.
Mitchell altimeter 3018.
3018, thank you, 4 Echo Echo.
Cessna 20 Papa, fly heading 090.
That changed drastically.
Southwest 2286, turn right heading 090.
Yeah, my buddy flew over Lake Michigan, and I forget what he flew, but he said he would never do it again after that.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know. It's like you just even flying over like Green Bay, like all of a sudden your engine starts making all these weird sounds that you've never heard before. You're like, oh man, this is it. This is where I'm gonna go.
Like, is it really the engine or just your imagination?
Yep.
Like, it is beautiful up here, though.
Yep.
Southwest 2286, airspeed.
Just so smooth.
Yeah. I almost forgot what I was
2286,
doing. Like, I was just watching everything, like,
like.
thinking I'm just sitting on my home simulator. You know?
Right.
Like,
Sun country 8180, contact Chicago Center 123.82.
That new Microsoft Flight Simulator is so nice.
yeah. I kind of pick stuff up here. Yeah, it really is. It does a very, very good job.
I saw you were doing a lot of IFR practice with it.
I was
Wisconsin 3748,
mostly just
contact
to,
Milwaukee Approach 127.0.
to practice like the procedural stuff. Obviously, like
Okay.
landing is not nearly close to realistic, but
Right.
yeah, just and then I got on with that sim.
Oh, cool.
So I had the you know, the actual live people, plane
Yep.
controller, and all that.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing.
United 2304, Milwaukee Approach, Mitchell altimeter 3018.
They've gotten so much better with it too. I remember back in the day on like Flight Sim 2000 or FSX or whatever it was, that sim was not as nice as it is now.
Right. Yeah, some of those guys are just
Southwest 22,
incredible.
86, unable, just have traffic ahead of you. It's a little bit too close.
And one guy I started watching on YouTube, like you
So
would,
it's 55,
you would
25,
legit think he's a real life controller.
Maintain 182 knots for
He's
greater
that
until
good.
5 mile final.
And he's working approach, center, and multiple airports all at once.
That's crazy.
And obviously it's not as much traffic as the real world, but
Right.
yeah, working all those different things and knowing all the different approaches and all that stuff.
United 2304, I can put you on a heading of a flight heading 310 vectors for Madison.
Waukesha is very difficult to find at night.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not seeing that beacon yet. Should be able to see it.
Yeah.
Not that.
We're
hazy out
crabbing a
yet.
little bit to the right, so
Oh,
maybe
okay.
off to like our 11 o'clock. She'll probably give us a descent in the next 5 minutes or so. But
Cessna 124, Echo, Echo at pilot's discretion, maintain 3000.
pilot's discretion to 3,000 for Echo Echo. So it's going to be in that cluster of lights probably.
Okay. A little further out that way.
Yeah. Like you see those really bright lights?
Yeah.
I'm guessing somewhere in that area. I can never find it though, that's the thing. Like,
It's interesting because I feel like we should be able to see the beacon.
right.
And we're still 15 minutes out. Oh, maybe it's straight ahead. Thought I saw it.
The other thing is we might be seeing the beacon for Capital.
Oh,
Because Capital's got a beacon too.
Whatever I saw was not a beacon. I don't see the other lights from it.
Yeah, and I could probably get to West Bend blindfolded. I actually once, I was trying to find Holy Hill.
November 4 Echo Echo. Are you looking for runway 10 or runway 18 at Waukesha?
If we could get 18, we'd appreciate it for Echo Echo.
4 Echo Echo, Roger. Expect the visual approach runway 18.
We'll expect visual 18 for Echo Echo. Thank you. Yeah, I was looking for Holy Hill for a sightseeing flight with my friend's kid because he wanted to see it.
Sure.
I'm like, I'm sorry, bud, I can't find it. I looked at my ground trek. We had flown right over it, and I didn't even realize it. And approach 4 Echo Echo, vacating 5,000 for 3,000.
November 4 Echo Echo, Roger.
Why for the life of me can I not find it?
Yeah.
4 Echo Echo. I don't know the last person to write it down, but just verify you have ATIS Foxtrot for me, please.
We'll pick up Foxtrot now, 4 Echo Echo.
Runways 10 and 18. ILS information may be obtained on the flight surface frequency 122.65. Advise on initial contact, give information, Golf. Waukesha Tower information, Golf. 0145 Zulu weather. Wind 15.
Approach 4 Echo Echo, we have Golf actually.
All right, thanks. We'll update the page here. Appreciate it. Skyhawk 4 Echo Echo, advising you have Waukesha Airport in sight, 12 o'clock and about 10 miles.
Yeah, we've been looking, it's lost in the lights, 4 Echo Echo.
4 Echo Echo, Roger.
I don't know why we can't see it.
Yeah, it's really weird.
I keep thinking I see the beacon, but I don't.
Yeah, me too. I keep seeing one that popping up. That kind of looks like an airport out there, but I don't see a beacon.
I see. Yeah, that's it. I don't see the beacon either, but I know that gas station.
Okay.
4 Echo Echo, field in sight.
Skyhawk 4 Echo Echo is cleared visual approach runway 18. Radar service terminated. Contact Waukesha Tower 123.7. Have a nice day.
Cleared visual 18, contact tower, 4 Echo Echo, enjoy your night. So we got this road here.
Okay.
We got the quick trip, and then the road, and then the beacon.
Okay.
Waukesha Tower, good evening, Skyhawk 124, Echo Echo, visual 18.
Oh, I see it.
Back 124, Echo Echo, Walk Tower, evening. Runway 18, clear to land.
Clear to land 184, Echo Echo.
Wow, that's easy to lose in all the lights.
I know.
That's tough.
Yeah.
It's so hard to see.
Full flaps. 65. Clear to land. There's 65. A little less power, 60 over the number. Don't need our airspeed anymore. Waste my aid.
Nice job.
Four Echo Echoes going to Atlantic.
Cessna 4 Echo Echo, roger, right turn at Delta on the ramp.
Delta to the ramp. Four Echo Echo, thank you.
Have a good night.
Nice landing, man.
Thank you.
That was good.
I do much better at night because of that whole illusion of, flaring high and all that.
Right.
Officer Towers terminating Class Delta services. Class Golf airspace is now in effect. Runway, approach and taxiway lights available on frequency 123.7. Any aircraft requiring assistance, please advise.
Four Echo Echo, thanks for all your help. You guys are the best.
Thank you, means what?
Alright, shutdown checklist. Brakes are set, transponder 1200. Avion.